Welcome back to Duke Nukem 3D. Let's just take a minute and, as a group, unfocus apparently. Just appreciate. This is a really fun picture, I have to admit. Fucking snowman's getting shot in the ass. Oh god. This is Duke Nukem Nuclear Winter. Sorry, Duke Nuclear Winter. This is let's rock.
Rock.
Everyone loves Christmas, even Duke Nukem. Sadly, there wasn't a Christmas this year. Almost wasn't. It all started with a telegram. Duke learned that those alien bastards had once again landed on Earth. Together with a bunch of bad elves calling themselves the Feminist Elven Militia. They brainwashed him and are using him to plot to take over the world. Duke, you must have heard of the North Pole, the aliens you defeated last session. No, never mind. And so, children, our story begins. There was so much reading to do. Entering Deja Vu. This is the first level. Right there is where the trap was. Anyway. That's right, I cheat. Anyway. I cheat, but I like to play like a malevolent god that's trying so hard not to hurt anyone. I'm backstage at the stripper match because... Oh, it's not full of sexy women at all. Yes, reindeer! Oh, has this changed? Oh, we've got bow ties now instead of just the Santa hat. That's fun. Wasn't there something this way? Oh, yeah.
Come get
Oh, nice pipe bomb, There's a fucking Christmas tree. Alright, opening the door. Let's go. Ooh. Man, people fell through the ceiling. I can't answer the phone. Exotica tonight. Wow, that's so loud. Oh boy. Alright. Ooh, shotgun shells. I do like shotgun shells. Wow, they have a lot of them in their deck. God. Oh. Alright. I do like that they put in an extension, you know? It was... That looks an awful lot like a different level down there. That's the second level. No. That's right, this was the second level. Madam. Can't interact with you still. Car chase is still happening. Is there a secret door? No, there's no secret button this time. Can't break that television. Someone's getting hurt. Guys, it's Christmas. Why don't you... Oh, the bathroom's out of order. This building condemned. There's a yellow key card. Oh, well. Problem solved. I wonder why they condemned it. How did the bathroom overflow that much? What is that? Oh, there's so many things here. Ah! You guys get killed every time. I have no mercy for you fuckers. You're just so annoying. There we go. Ah! Is this new? Nope. I have a yellow key card. That woman dropped. She was higher up. Oh. She asked me to. Right? I mean, they did give me a jetpack here. Hi, Frosty. Oh, that's an enemy. Great. What the fuck? Oh, toys and jelly? What the fuck? Oh god, the suck it downs are snowmen! I will not suck it down! Fuck you, Frosty! Hi, Piggy. Oh, they got you out of your uniform. Got you dressed up for the kids. Isn't that sweet? Oh, that's why it's condemned. That's the building that we blew up last time. I think I tried to do that. And now, we're back where we were, dealing with the strippers. This is... Why did I use the key card? Oh, because I have to use it to get out too. Alright, fair enough. Hey, don't throw a fucking snowball. Yeah! They're throwing snowballs! So that's where I started last time. Hey, hey! Rude! I'm going in here now. It's always the best video store. Hi, friends. Anyway, what's going on at the peep shows? Hi. Oh man. Ah. Classics. This is where I like to go every Christmas. It's got the best alien suit. Why are you looking at me? Closing you. Oh, still has the RPG. Why did you killed your friends? It's rude. Anyway, up. Hi. What's up?
Much better.
I can piss. I have gone up. This is my hot tub now. Oh, instead of going through the blind room to this apartment, you go through the toilet now. Man, you guys really fixed this place up. You got your own little Christmas tree and everything. You just... There's a thing over there. This wall used to be a little bit different, I think, but that's, you know, that's what renovations are all about. You gotta fix things up, decide what you like about an apartment, decide what you don't. Rip some fucking walls out. This is no longer a door here. That makes the bathroom makes it to their apartment, because otherwise they had no way of getting out. I don't want to suck it down. Fuck off, buzzsaw boy. Wrong button. I used a bunch of drugs again. Oh, I found the right key card. There's a lot going on in here. I do enjoy that the minigun hand guys are now... They have antlers. Well, no. I can't quite make it back to where I started this level. Okay. Fantastic. Hey, there's more survivors than there are dead. I count that as a win. I'm sorry, what was the name of this level? This is level 1. Yep, there's where we ended level 1. Alright. Huh! Hello, piggy.
Come get some.
We crashed through the roof right there. Man. This place has seen better days. You're all on my way. Thank you. Can I get through here? No, that's blocked. Oh, wait. That did not open up the wall for me. I was hoping it would. That's a shame. Excuse me. Excuse me. I just need through. Hello, Mr. Snowman. I need a yellow key card for that. Can't get up there. I don't know if it's going now. I think I hired the worst trap. Hi. They're singing carols. One horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. I'm actually filming this in December, so it works. I guess this comes out in October, which some people think is part of the Christmas season, and those people are wrong. Anyway, up. How do I have to get in there and take it up? Well, first... Oh, look, Atomic Health. There used to be a dumpster here, and they got rid of that. That's such an improvement on society. You're annoying me. Got just about enough of your bullshit, Frosty. Like, listening to them say suck it down is just a meme at this point. You fuckers throwing off my vision is annoying. Well, I haven't gone and found me a key card yet. I don't know what accent this is or why I started doing it, but here we are. I ain't rightly found myself a key card. Fuck you, Frosty. So I can't get into the what the shit? Who just throws out an entire turret? Ugh. Can't get in there. Oh, neat. Couldn't do anything up there. Hi. climb that. Was I supposed to be able to get up there? I don't want to use... Oh. Okay. That's a good sign. So we got this. And we take that over here, which will get us up there, but... That's what I'm supposed to do? Maybe there was more in there that I just missed. Oh, thanks, buddy. Fucker got underneath me and lifted me right up. It's always good to have a friend that lifts your spirits. None of this helps me. Because this is still a room that I can't get into. Until I have a yellow key card. And there's no sign of a yellow key card. Wait, what's that over there? It wasn't graffiti like I thought. Hold on. What the fuck? This must be some of them feminist Elven Alliance people. I don't know. They got submachine guns, which is kind of neat. I think that's what they're wielding. It's hard to tell. Oh, well, one of them is dead. They got Uzis. They've allied with aliens that say things like, suck it down. I still don't have a yellow keycard. Hi, Biggie. I'm very confused. So put down this wall. Turn off the lights in there. That made people mad. Hey, if I shoot that switch, does it activate? I can't shoot it. Come on. I can back up enough. Nope. Alright, well, we're a shot. What are they gonna do over there? Oh, wait. No. Santa Claus. Alright, fuck it. Let's take this way up. Let's start exploring.
Come get some.
Yeah. Windows. Oh. Hello. I am the apartment expender. Man, you guys, you got rodents. Neat. Shotgun shells in there. I cannot help but notice. That was the creakiest shit. Why? Why was that like that? That was a horror game sound, and this is not that. Anyway, I have made it into... Well, that used to be a door. I have made it into the arcade. Ooh, I like those. What the fuck are you? You're adorable. Oh, just these fun little elves everywhere trying to shoot me. That's so cute. Oh, you killed a man. Impressive, I guess. I don't know what you guys are really capable of, but apparently killing each other is on the list. Hey, your friends are getting murdered by the elves. Oh, you destroyed a urinal. Now, public destruction is not a joke, you know. Like, killing people is all in good fun. Killing people is all in good fun. What? Where am I? I can't activate that without a blue keycard. Don't destroy people's property, but killing's fine. I don't know what drug you want either. Hi, friend. Did I do this? I did. Aha! I want to play some Duke Nukem 2. Don't have time to play with myself. That is a flat-out lie. You always have time to play with yourself. Anyway, to the elevator. Applying. The arcade sure was fun. I'm so glad I played all those video games. They definitely Rotbrain did not. What's down here? Ah, the outside. Did what? What? Cameron. Hands above your head. What's going on? Ah, I found friends. Things are breaking everywhere. So much shaking. Is there's an elevator here. I am. Hello, elevator door. No, please, let me in. Oh no, that's them shooting the wall. I need to open up the theater. People need to watch the movie. That? Is that a snowman gutting an elf? Fascinating. Well, somebody just died. Still an atomic elf. Nice. Oh, look, another elf. Well, anyway. I did not get the Okay, I couldn't figure out the constant death sound effect until it became very clear just now. It's the cinema. Oh, that is the last one. Do you know where the red keycard is? Guess not. I honestly am having a hard time figuring out everything. A real hard time. Alright, where have I and have I not been? I need to find a red keycard. It's in there, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh. When did that open? Which one of you fuckers opened this? Well, thank you. Jeez, you could have just opened it for me. It would have been great. Now I'm gonna go back to the theater. Why was that? Which one of you fuckers closed that? Alright. Hold on. Oh, excuse me. There we go. Apparently the movie had ended. I have fixed that. I have a theory. Yep, there it is. I'm going to take the jetpack, if you will. Ah, nice. I can't say almost double, but close to 11 more people survived than I killed. Which is good. That's a good number. And now that dude was T-posing. I'm in the land of forgotten toys. Great. We're gonna go through
Hail to the
Rudolph's.
king, baby.
Okay, no. None of that. Ah. The dreaded, unfreezable shark. And in this end is pipe bombs and night vision. Huh. Well, oh, there's lots of unfreezable sharks here. I'm sure that's nothing to worry about. All the right time to watch you have play. I definitely was part of different things that forced me to sing growing up. And I absolutely forgot all of the words. I know this. I'm supposed to. What is? Hi. Good to see you. Don't. I'm not a fan. How far away am I? I can't zoom out to find out. Well, I found it. Hey, Doom Guy. Good to see you, buddy. I guess I went to hell. I don't remember hell having stripper poles, but I'm not here to judge. I also don't remember hell having enough people in it to be condemned. It's hell. I think that's kind of just a given. I can't go outside. Alright. Fair enough. I guess we're going out this way. Oh, hi there. Ooh, a shrimp. Now, be honest, which one of you is into this? It's both of you! Well, you're not. You didn't come forward, so obviously. Ah! Alright, which one of you's into this? It was her. Oh.
Medieval on your asses.
She had a gift inside of her. The gift was a shotgun. I hated all of that. Didn't hate it. That was... I've done this before, and much like everything else, mediocre linguini land. Fuck you. Oh, look, it's that thing I did. I got the key card for. Just a jingle bell beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. Fuck. Song's stuck in my head for fucking years again. Okay. I did it. You happy now? Where does this go? Ha! You can't get me now. I'm in the skybox. Captain? What's this? Oh, neat. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, be honest. Which one of you slipped me fucking drugs? I don't fucking... Oh! Cool. I'm somewhere else. There seems to be an outline on these two. Ah, and that's why. Fascinating. Is there something here I'm supposed to get? Killed a pig. I didn't kill the pig. Someone else killed the pig. This is all just a fun and games trap. Clearly. There. Ooh, I'm somewhere else now? What the shit? There's another one? This isn't supposed to be like this? What the hell? This is somewhere else again. Mario? Mario, look at me. Why won't you look at me, Mario? So I think it's blue and red. This is the Misfit Toys. So this is the this is the Mario brother that got left behind. Well, he's invulnerable. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Alright. Let's go find the mediocre linguini. Oh, this was the mediocre linguini land. Instead of Super Mario World, mediocre linguini land. Fantastic. Which way was the gate? That one. I have a blue key card. Damn it. Where's the blue key card go? There is more to mediocre linguini land. None of this is helpful. None of it. Where do I put my blue key card? Want my blue key card? Who wants my blue key card? Yep, jingle bell, make up your feet. Around the clock. I can't remember where to go. This one. Yep. Does this way have the door that needs the blue key card? Ah! There's more death. Oh, well, we already know that this is the one that has the next area. Hello there. But I think this one just gets me the key card. It does not take me where the key card is required. Your TV's not plugged in, bro. This is why your game was mediocre. Oh my god. I thought I fully explored this way because I thought this is where I started. I haven't even remotely started exploring this direction. Holy shit, I'm an idiot. I forgot that I came up from the water. This is still unhelpful. There's still nobody here looking for a fucking keycard. Everyone dies. I am no longer a malevolent god. See you in hell. Get out of the way. Ah, stairs. I figured it out. I have to go this way. Isn't this so silly me? I almost got lost. I'm just so patient with the world. You will rot in hell for your transgressions. I don't understand why anyone would choose violence when peace is just so easy.
Where is it?
Alright, we're not going that way. I gotta go down here. Rude. Ah, I found the red key card. I still haven't found a use for my blue key card, which I feel like
Where is it?
that's a little weird. I'm just gonna pull a Santa. Boop. Alright, didn't work. I pooped in your chimney. Ho ho ho, go fuck yourself. Merry fucking Christmas, have a turd. Lay down and die. Nope. Fuck me, here you are. Let's go on the other side of this one.
Come get some.
Alright. Wow. Jetpack. And there's another suck it down. There's a little jump you have there, right? More of you have appeared. And I'm once again being told to suck it down. Oh, wow. You just summoned all the reindeer. Alright, be honest. Which one's Rudolph? Damn it, Donner. You always were a bully. Oh, the LAPD's back. Speaking of bullies. Down. Ah. Now even the walls are telling me to suck it down. Well. Where the end of level wall kind of just slapped me in the face there. I didn't expect it. It's like, you're done! Fucking go! What was the name of this level? It doesn't matter. Fuck you, Frosty. God, I hate getting hit in the face with those snowballs. No. Stop it. Can't get in. Guess it's time to go home. Oh shit, the door's unlocked. Man, you fuckers are fast. Must be all the yoga. Got a little shiny nose. And if you were sunny, you would even say it glows. All of the other... Hey, another key... Oh, wait, no. I thought I found a red key card before. It was just shotgun shells. Ignore me. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is more Christmas carols than I have sang in something like 10 years. And, I'm remembering why I stopped. Oh, I found the exit. Ah, fantastic. Well, no admittance. I refuse. What's this do? Unlocked. What did I unlock? Was it everything? God, I hope I unlocked everything. You guys are gonna kill each other. I hope you're aware of that. I don't have to do shit. There's so many of you. You're just fucked. What's this way? Oh. Hi. Blue key card. Neato. The whole curtain thing's a little weird. Whoop. Other door. There's another one over here, huh? Hello, friend. Are you hiding the blue key card? It's me. Why is there so much me on the world? I'm spreading worldwide. Duke's going global. Hello. Oh, someone just died outside. Now, which one of you naughty elves is hiding the blue key card from me? I bet it's all of you. Oh boy, it's just... pathways just keep going, don't they? Man, this place is huge. You must love living here. several hundred of your almost identical coworker family.